Hi everyone, I'm Manoj Krishnan. I'm working as an Oracle ERP Cloud Techno-Functional Consultant at Kovaion Consulting. Today we are going to look into the topic AP payments. When we look into AP or payable payments, we should have a small recap on supplier. A supplier can be an organization or employee for whom we can create an invoice and make payments according to the company's expenses or employee's work schedule. So before making a payment, we should create an invoice for which the payment has to be made. Let's check the sample invoice which I have created. For that, we can come to homepage, payables, invoices. We can click on it. You can query the particular invoice. I'm querying it as 27 Jan JN 2023. Clicking on search. So I have the particular invoice for which I'm going to make the payment. So we can note down the supplier name, that is test supplier, which have been created for reference, and the unpaid amount is 45,000 and the invoice amount is 50,000. The invoice number is noted, and also you can see the source is manual invoice, and you can see the paid status as not paid. So for this particular invoice we can make the payment. For that, you can click on done. You can again come to homepage, payables and payments. So you can click on the taskbar, click on create payment. In order to save time, I've already created a tab with the necessary inputs. Quickly, we can also have a check in the advanced and additional informations column if any mandatory fields are required. There are no mandatory fields required, so whatever the data which is needed, we can give the inputs. Upon checking, I'm going to payment details, and you can see the mandatory fields here like business unit, supply party, supply site, and the payment date, payment type, and disbursement bank account, payment method, payment process profile, and payment document. And payment document number will be automatically generated, which is also the payment number. So if any attachments to, we can add it all. And after checking all the necessary inputs, we can go to the invoice to pay, click on add. Upon adding, it will be automatically showing the invoice which has been paid. We can check the necessary details like the invoice number and also the amount of the invoice, that is 45,000. Next, also the invoice business unit. We can check all these details. Upon checking, we can click the particular invoice and click on apply. So now the invoice has been applied, so I'm clicking on OK. Now once we have added the invoice to the payment, we can check the particular details, and also we can note down the paper document number, since that is the payment number, and click on save and close. It's taking a little bit of time. So you can see the payment number for the particular amount has been created. So now you can click on OK. So to check this particular payments, we can create on taskbar, manage payments, query the payment number, that is 2000555. Clicking on search. Now you can see the payment that has been made for the pay test supplier for the amount 45,000. The actions here can be done is we can void the payment or we can initiate stop for the payment. Void payment means we can cancel the payment, or we can also hold the payment for a while. Initiate stop will stop this payment from the accounting. Now I'm going to do the other actions which are available, that is account in draft. We account in draft so that we can just check if any issues has been made while creating the payment. So it is taking a little bit of time. The accounting is complete. That means there is no issue while creating the payment. I'm clicking on OK. Now I'm clicking on actions again, and I'm going to post it to ledger so that the accounting will be completed. Once the accounting is completed, you can view the accounting elements or the accounting lines by clicking on view accounting, that will appear in the screen. I'm clicking on OK. And other actions that can be done is we can add attachments, if any. That's all about AP payments. I would like to thank you all for your time and attention today.